Kamanita Design presents movie about game. Me. Oh wait. My name is Yarmir Plaki. Why am I? Well, I like beer and I enjoy playing. Ukulele my kancha. And I also made a game called Chuchel. How did that happen? It all started when I was born in 80s, surrounded by love from my loving parents. I had a joyful childhood, so I tried to draw. I was getting better. I still felt like there was too little life in my drawings, too little joy. So I tried to bring my drawings to life and came up with animated movies. I was still angry that I couldn't be part of the action and that I couldn't only watch and observe the video game. Not only can we see and hear video games, we can also touch them. So now I can finally share the joy with all of friends. Mission Impossible without friends. They brought Chuchel to life. I designed him and animated him, and it's nothing without music and sounds. All created by my favorite band Kura. Everything can work because our programmer Peter's right hand Jakobsen cherries on top for Jan Opworski amazing producer Lukas Kinska and Tomasz Mutagosza, who are still taking care of everything I don't want to. We hope we built memorial to Chuchel that will keep spreading the joy for many years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, party!